The apartment looks nice, but it still feels empty. Yeah, it doesn't feel like home yet. We really need to buy some furniture and basics. I agree. Which should we start with? Definitely the bedroom. We need a bed and a mattress first. And kitchen stuff. We don't even have a pan. Let's make a list so we don't forget anything. Good idea. We should also set a budget. True. Let's go shopping today.
Hi, welcome. How can I help you?
Hi, we're looking for a bed for our bedroom.
What size do you need?
Queen size.
Do you prefer a wooden or metal frame?
Wooden. Something simple and sturdy. Is the headboard included?
Yes, it comes with the bed frame.
That looks good. How much is it?
It's $200.
That works for us.
Are you looking for a mattress?
Yes, something comfortable, not too soft.
This one is medium firm and good for your back.
Can we try it? Oh, this feels really nice. What about pillows and bed sheets?
These come as a full set.
Is the fabric breathable?
Yes, and it's easy to wash.
Great. How much is everything together? $650.
We also need a bedside lamp. Do you want warm light or white light?
Warm light. It feels more relaxing.
Is the brightness adjustable?
Yes, it has 3 levels.
Perfect. We also need a mirror. Full length or wall mirror?
Wall mirror. This one looks simple and modern.
It's very popular. We'll take it.
Hi, can I help you?
Yes, we're looking for pots and frying pans.
Do you cook often?
Almost every day.
Then I recommend this nonstick pan.
Is it dishwasher safe?
Yes, and it comes with a lid.
How many pieces are in this set?
3 pots and 2 pans.
Sounds good. How much is it?
$120.
We need plates and cutlery.
Do you want a full set?
Yes, for 4 people. Does it include bowls and serving dishes?
Yes, and it also comes with salt shakers.
Nice. What about glasses?
These are dishwasher safe.
Perfect. Let's get this set.
Great choice.
This sofa looks really comfortable. I like the color too.
The fabric is stain resistant and easy to clean.
That's important.
How many people can sit on it?
3 adults comfortably.
Does it come with cushions?
Yes, 3 cushions are included.
I think this is the one.
Plants really make a place feel alive.
Yeah, and our walls look empty. These plants are low maintenance.
That's perfect. I love this painting. It's handmade. It would look great in the living room. Let's take one plant and this painting. We also need a rug for the living room.
What size are you looking for?
Something medium-sized? This one fits well under a sofa.
Is it easy to clean?
Yes, and it's very durable.
I like the pattern. Me too. Let's get it.
Hi, are you looking for bathroom supplies?
Yes, towels and cleaning products.
We need almost everything.
These towels are cotton and very absorbent.
How many are in a set?
4 towels.
And we need shampoo and bathroom cleaner.
This brand is very popular.
Great, we'll take these.
I'm exhausted. Me too, but look around. The apartment looks amazing now. Yeah, it finally feels like home. I'm really happy we did this together. Me too. Totally worth it.